Good morning, YouTube. I'm on the CRF300L today, and I just wanted to test the new air filter. I put in a K&N filter. I've been waiting for K&N to come out with one for this bike. They were late to the party, but they did, and I'm liking it. It was a nice tight fit, no sloppiness or play, clips in very firmly into the airbox. And what else can I tell you? It comes pre-oiled. Comes in two pieces, the main filter and the frame, which clips into the airbox. So I'm pleased with that because the fit is important. So there's no issues there. What else? I think the rest of it comes down to how I feel about performance. Well, I can most definitely feel that the bike is breathing better. Bear in mind, my bike is not completely stock. I have opened up the stock exhaust somewhat, kind of moderately, so that much of the air, at least 50% of it I would say, is coming directly from the first chamber rather than having to be baffled through another one. And so that helps. And what else? I've got the 550 stock improved 87 octane ECU, so a little richer mixture. And what else? To the intake, yes, also I've enlarged the opening, the inlet to the airbox. So as you can see, I already increased the air supply, and coupled with the 550 stock improved ECU, that improved performance. But I can see that there was performance still left untapped without any fancy dancing. So with this K&N filter, it definitely tapped into that potential, because I definitely can feel it. Much more, well, I wouldn't say much, but very noticeably more responsive on the throttle. They're, to my mind, a good investment. It might cost you a little bit up front, but the filter is going to be good for a lifetime. And really long intervals before you need to clean it. It's not like a regular filter the way it works. And I don't listen to the people that say, oh, K&N will ruin your engine, You'll have to rebuild it. All that dirt will get in. That actually isn't true, so don't bother posting it in a comment. Like I say, you have to understand how the K&N type of filter works. And then you'll see that it actually does what they claim. I'm not a fan of the foam filters for this particular bike. There's the Twin Air and the Uni filter. that I know of. And the twin air, I mean, it's fine if you want to clean it, you know, almost, well, every few rides, because there's no pleat, so it's maybe a third the filter area of a pleated filter, maybe even less. So not a fan of that. I don't want, you know, I'm kind of lazy. I like simple. And the unifilter from Australia, I would stay away from that. I had a couple of those for the CRF300L, and they let air in, like air that's only half filtered. They let it in on the side where the outer filter grips, supposedly grips, but doesn't, to the core filter. And then so the air bypasses and it curls up on the side. That's what I found big time. Yeah, so I like the K&N style filter. Like I say, I don't do a lot of dirt. I do very little now, so it's no big issue, right? If you did a lot of dirt, especially really dusty dirt, or you're riding in groups and you're sucking dust, yeah, maybe the K&N wouldn't be the best idea. In that case, you know, go with the twin air maybe and wash it a lot. We'll go down here. And then I'm going home. So bottom line, K&N filter for this bike. Yeah, I like it. Gives it a little pop, in my case. Anyway, you guys take care. You ride safe, have fun, and I will catch you on another one.